today I want to look at the CB460 and upgrading a firmware on your MS99x pods. Received the question. So first of all, obviously I'm gonna go to restore settings and make sure that my machine is set. I'm gonna, let's say, do dozer with 2 map. This is a demo, right? So some system device okay. So what you need to do is you need to scroll down to diagnostics and take a quick peek there and see if there is anything out of ordinary. Everything seems connected, so I'm sure everything is fine. Option not installed, I'm not following. No, that's it. There we go. Still not sure what it's asking me for. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Option not installed. The way you want to do upgrade your MS99x is you want to go to menu, and on the right hand side press the soft button for installation and scroll down to upgrade firmware. Hit OK. And if you have firmware loaded on your box, it will show up there. If you don't, you would have to put it on a USB stick and load it into your box. True, right? When you plug it in, you can do add from USB and it would copy that file in there. So if you have I have to, how do I, okay, there we go. If you have it, you would go hit OK, pick whichever one, and just kind of go through the steps, and then you would do the other one. It takes about 2 minutes, few minutes per each. However, the very important thing is if you want to check the scroll down to diagnostics for the proper work, the MS992 left and MS992 right, they have to have the same app version, otherwise they won't work properly. It would just mismatch some information, and no. So I hope you found this helpful, and we'll see you next time.